Good, everybody? I'm back in the lab trying to work something out. I got drums assigned already to the pads. And I got three different samples I sliced. So we're going to try and figure something out, see what we can put together. I've been getting a lot of requests, I noticed lately. People wanting me to do things from scratch. And also, I've been getting some requests for making beats using certain types of music, certain genres. Reggae was one in particular. Although reggae has been my my Achilles heel, if you will, when it comes to beat making, put it to you like this. If you want me to put something together, send me a song. Let's do that. Send me a song that you want me to sample, and I'll try and slap some shit together with that, and we'll post it. I'll give you a shout out or whatever, you something like that. Let's go with that and see how that works out. And yeah, that ought to that ought to be interesting. Usually, I'm doing all the digging through all my crates and whatnot, or I'm trying to find something online, e-digging or whatever. But I got no problem if you send me something via email or something like that. I think what I'm going to do is I'll post my email address at the bottom of this video when I send it off. And yeah, send a song to there, and we'll go from there. But right now, we working with this today. Big. This one I sliced it, but instead of doing the auto slice, in which case you got to have your start and your finish count perfect, and then you can truncate it and auto slice it, and the machine itself just bam, here's your pads. It's already set up like I did with this one here. This one, you doing it on your own. You doing all the groundwork, so to speak. So that's kind of what I did. Because that section, I liked certain parts of it, but I didn't want to use all of it. So that's what we did. So let's start out with just doing a drum pattern. I'm going to use a sample from the auto slice. I'm going to loop that, and I'm going to make my drums off that how I usually do. But then I'm going to scratch that and, do my own thing. So we'll start off here. That's two completely different beats. That's how it happens, though. You know, you get going with something. I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. You get going with something real good, and then you hear something else. Shit happens. All right, let's see if we can organize this a little bit and see if it's worth saving. See if it's worth saving. All right. I do 4 different scenes. I'll play a portion of each pattern I got set up here. See what we got. I think I like this part better. All right, we're gonna wrap it up right there, and I'm gonna make some coffee, come back to this joker, and see if I can slice this together a little better. But for right now, like I said, if you got something in particular you want me to sample and you feel like I ain't done it yet, I always accept a challenge. So that'll be interesting because can't win them all, but you'll have to find out. So I'm gonna post my email, like I said, at the bottom of this video, so make sure you check that out. And if you got a particular song you want me to sample, so be it. Send it to the email, and I'll post something for you to put in the subtitle of the email. That way I know for a fact, okay, this is something I got to check out, because I get like 50 emails a day at least. But on a better note, my album is released on iTunes for pre-order. Perpendicular Parallels with myself, Deebo Mac, and the D.O. from Winnipeg, Canada. Shout out to Canada. It's a beast. It's a bar fest. Y'all need to check that out. You need some real shit. Real shit. So make sure you go to iTunes. And if you don't surf iTunes, it's going to be available digitally pretty much everywhere. But it's available for pre-order right now on iTunes. So I'm going to have that link at the bottom of this too. Make sure you check it. Machine Life. Learn from others, don't copy others. Pay attention to others, don't copy others. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.